These questions are from chapter Hydrogen of class 8. The question is that which metals displaces hydrogen from its compound? To give the answer of this question, the answer should be metals that are placed above the hydrogen in the activity series are able to displace hydrogen from its compound. Example, sodium, potassium, iron, etc. So the metals which are placed above the hydrogen in the activity series, they are able to displace hydrogen from its compound. Now the next question is, which metals are not able to displace hydrogen from its compound? Again, the answer should be metals which are placed below the hydrogen in the activity series are not able to displace hydrogen from its compound. For example, gold, silver, copper, these are the metals that are placed below the hydrogen in the activity series. They are not able to displace hydrogen from its compound. Next question is, what happened when steam passed over heated zinc, iron and magnesium? The answer should be, when steam is passed over heated magnesium, zinc and iron, metallic oxides and hydrogen gas is formed. That means when steam is passed over this type of metals, magnesium, zinc and iron, the metallic oxides with hydrogen gas is formed. The example is Mg solid plus H2O gas. MgO solid magnesium oxide plus hydrogen gas evolved. What happens when active metals react with dilute acids? In this question, the answer should be, when active metals react with the dilute acids, the metallic salts and hydrogen gas is formed. That means when an active metal react with any dilute acid, metallic salts with the hydrogen gas is formed. For example, Zn solid plus 2HCl dilute. HCl means hydrochloric acid. ZnCl2 zinc chloride aqueous solution plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay. Hope you will understand the answer of these questions.